Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with a Ramzan special recipe. We'll be seeing how to make nechore or ghee rice using pressure cooker. To prepare this recipe, firstly take a mixing bowl and into that add 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash and rinse this for minimum 2 to 3 times. Later soak this for 20 to 30 minutes before further use. Next take a mixer jar and into that add 2 to 3 green chilli finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, same amount of ginger, and grind this coarsely. Make sure not to add any water while doing this. Next take a small cotton or muslin cloth and place 1 nutmeg flower, 5 to 6 clove, 4 to 5 cardamom pod, 2 to 3 cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf. Now tie this into a small potli bag with the help of a thread. Next take a pressure cooker and once the pressure cooker is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee. Now into this add the previously prepared green chilli and ginger garlic paste. Now saute this and cook for minimum 30 seconds to 1 minute until the ginger garlic paste turns golden brown or aromatic. Now into this add the previously soaked basmati rice. Once you have sauteed the basmati rice as well for about a minute, add 3 cups of water into it. That is, if you are taking 1 cup of basmati rice, add 1.5 cup of water if you are pressure cooking it. Now add the potli bag and salt as per taste and mix everything well. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook in low to medium flame for about 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, stop further cooking and keep the cooker lid closed for another 15 to 20 minutes until the pressure is down. In the meantime, chop 1 medium-sized onion into thin slices. Next take a pan or kadai and into that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade ghee and add the previously sliced onion into it and saute this and cook until the onions turn golden brown. Once the onion changes its color into slightly golden brown, add about 8 to 10 cashew nuts into it and saute this as well. Now add about 8 to 10 raisins and saute this as well. Once the pressure is down, open the pressure cooker and remove the spices bag out of it. Now gently stir this with the help of a spatula or a spoon, and additionally you can add even 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee if required. Add the previously ghee roasted nuts and onion into it, and now your delicious ghee rice is ready. This can be served along with some spicy curry or gravy. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.